This home is brought to you by Darren Webb of Team Webb at Century 21 Goodyear Green. Welcome to this wonderful 3-bed 2-bath home in Fairfield. Cozy front entry leads to large living area with fireplace and lots of natural light. Dining and updated kitchen are just off living area and include granite countertops, tile backsplash, updated appliances and lighting, farm sink and much more. Large dining area with French doors that open to covered back patio and nice backyard. Master bedroom is good size west/updated bathroom and tub/shower combo, 2 walk-in closets, updated ceiling fan and paint and French doors that open to backyard. Secondary bedrooms have updated ceiling fans, paint and good size closets. Secondary bathroom is updated with tile, paint and fixtures and has tub/shower combo. There is updated lighting and ceiling